Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Do you want to learn English? Don't say I am fine. Say this instead. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back, Master House 24. I am Mohammad Mukhtar Hussain, English teacher, Muhammad Ali Academy, Kalokali, Rajbari. Imagine this conversation. Someone asked, "How are you?" Most people immediately reply, "I'm fine." It is wrong or no, but it sounds very common and sometimes unnatural in everyday English. Let us learn better alternatives. Why? Native English speakers don't always say I'm fine. Instead, they use different expressions depending on the situation. When you use these conversations, you sound more fluent and more confident. Let us begin. Alternative I, instead of saying I'm fine, say I am doing great. Example, how are you? I am doing great. Thanks. This expression sound energetic and positive. Alternative 2, say I am doing well. Example, how are you today? I am doing well. How about you? Perfect for formal and professional conversation. Alternative 3. Another useful expression is I am pretty good. Example, hi, how are you? I am pretty good. Very common among friends. Alternative 4. Feeling amazing. Say, I am fantastic. Example, how's everything? I'm fantastic. It shows excitement and confidence. Alternative 5. You can also say, I am wonderful. Example, how are you? I am wonderful. Thank you. A warm and cheerful reply. Alternative 6. Feeling your best. Say, couldn't be better. Example, how is life? Couldn't be better. A strong and confident expression. Alternative 7. Another natural reply is I am feeling awesome. Example, how are you today? I am feeling awesome. Perfect when you are excited and happy. Alternative 8. You may say life is good. Example, how are things? Life is good. Simple, positive, and friendly. Alternative 9. Say, everything is going well. Example, how are things at work? Everything is going well. Excellent for daily conversation. Alternative 10. Finally, not bad at all. Example, how are you? Not bad at all. A very common and casual expression. Quick quiz. Now it is your turn. Someone asked, how are you? Which answer will be choose? I am doing great. I am fantastic. Everything is going well. Write your answer in the comments. Recap and motivation. Today you learned 10 smart alternatives. I am fine. Remember, I am doing great. I am doing well. I am pretty good. I am fantastic. I am wonderful. Couldn't be better. I am feeling awesome. Life is good. Everything is going well. Not bad at all. Practice this expression every day and your English will become more natural and confident. If you found this lesson helpful, like the video, comment your favorite expression, share it with your friends, subscribe to Masterhouse 24 and press the bell icon for more spoken English lesson. Remember, don't just learn English, speak English every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next class. Assalamu alaikum.